Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Stork Mobile. Stork Mobile offers a unique approach to mobile communication, especially for those who travel internationally. Their website, storkmobile.com, highlights their focus on providing affordable and convenient connectivity while abroad. Rather than relying on traditional roaming charges, which can be exorbitant, Stork Mobile offers a variety of eSIM card options and eSIM plans tailored to different needs and destinations. These plans often include a set amount of data, talk time, and text messages, allowing users to prepay for their communication needs and avoid bill shock upon returning home. The site emphasizes the simplicity of their service, from ordering a eSIM card online to managing your account through their user-friendly mobile app. Stork Mobile also appears to cater to frequent travelers with options for long-term plans and multi-country coverage. Exploring storkmobile.com further reveals details about their coverage map, pricing structures, and customer support options. They seem to prioritize transparency by clearly outlining the costs and features of each plan, empowering users to select the best option for their travel style. Furthermore, the website likely showcases testimonials or reviews from other users, adding credibility to their service and providing potential customers with real-world perspectives. In navigating the site, you'll probably find information on how to activate your eSIM card or eSIM, troubleshoot common issues, and contact their customer support team. Stork Mobile's online presence aims to project an image of reliability and convenience for global communication, making it an attractive alternative to traditional roaming methods. They seem to understand the challenges faced by international travelers and offer solutions designed to simplify staying connected while exploring the world. Choosing the right mobile plan can significantly impact your travel experience, and Stork Mobile positions itself as a helpful resource for travelers seeking affordable and hassle-free communication solutions. It's worth visiting storkmobile.com to delve into the specifics of their offerings and determine if their services align with your individual travel requirements.